Good morning. Today we are going to learn about Roman numerals. Roman numerals are numeral system that originated in ancient Rome. As we write our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. In Rome also people used to write numbers, but their way was different. In this system, numbers are represented by combination of letters. We represent our numbers by 1, 2, 3, 4, but they represent their numbers by letters. There are 7 basic symbols in Roman numerals. As we have basic numbers 0 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, to form other numbers, in Roman system there are 7 basic symbols which we need to know to write all other basic numbers. And those 7 basic symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. To write all other Roman numerals, first we need to understand that what does these symbols represent. Capital I means 1, V means 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. To write Roman numerals, first we need to understand some rules. Rule number 1. Repeated symbol means addition, and if we want to add the number, we will write it to the right. Only I, X and C can be repeated, but not more than 3 times. Let us write Roman numerals from 1 to 10. 1. As we already know, the Roman numeral for 1 is capital I. I want to write 2 now. As the rule says, if we want to add the number, we will write it to the right side. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. I want to write 3 now. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. I want to write 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4. Is it correct? No, because the rule says but not more than 3 times. We cannot repeat a Roman numeral more than 3 times. So this is a wrong Roman numeral for 4. To write correct number, we have to go to the next basic symbol, that is 5. But in 5, we need to subtract 1 to get 4. So, here comes the next rule. If we want to subtract a number from a Roman numeral, we need to write it in the left of the given number. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. We all know 5 is V. Now, to write Roman numeral 6, 5 plus 1. 7, 5 plus 1 plus 1. 8, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 8. 9, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Again the repetition is more than 3 times. So, we cannot write it like this. We will move to the next basic symbol, that is 10. And 1 is to be subtracted from 10 to get 9. And to subtract it, we will write it in the left or right? We will write it in the left side. That means 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Now, let us learn how to write Roman numerals for these numbers. 10. We already know that 10 is written as capital X. Now, how should I write 20? 10 plus 10? So I should write 10 to the left side or to the right side? To the right side. 10 plus 10 is 20. Next, 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 30. Now I want to write 40. So shall I write 10 4 times? No, because a Roman number cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So next is, I should go for the next basic symbol, that is L, 50. And 10 is to be subtracted from 50 to get 40. To the left side, 10, that is 40. Next, let us come to 60. 50 plus 10, 60. 50 plus 10 plus 10, 70. 50 plus 10 plus 10, 80. And to write 90, shall I write x 4 times? No, because it cannot be written according to the rule. So, I'll go to the next Roman basic symbol, that is 100. And 10 is to be subtracted from 100 to get 90 to the left side. 90. Question number 1. Write Roman numerals for 11 to 20. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 9, 19. And 10 plus 10, 20. Now B, 21 to 30. First of all, we need to know how to write 20. 10 plus 10, that is 20. And 20 plus 1, 21. Same, 20 plus 2, 22. 20 plus 3, 23. 20 plus 4, 24. 20 plus 5, 25. 20 plus 6, 26. 20 plus 7, 27. 20 plus 8, 28. 20 plus 9, 29. And 20 plus 10, that is 30. Same here, 31 to 40. 30, 30, 30. Plus 1, 31. Plus 2, 32. Plus 3, 33. Same is with 41 to 50. 40 plus 1, 41. 40 plus 2, 42. And so on. Same is with 50. 1 to 60. 50 plus 1, 51. 50 plus 2, 52. 50 plus 3, 53. And so on. 61 to 70. Try it yourself. Let us learn how to write Roman numerals above 100. As we know, 100 is written as C, capital C. How to write 200? 100 plus 100. How to write 300? 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. How to write 400? We cannot repeat it 4 times, so we'll move to the next basic symbol, that is 500, D, and subtract 100, that is 400. Then 500 plus 100, 600. 500 plus 100 plus 100, 700. 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, 800. 900. We cannot repeat the Roman numeral more than 3 times, so we'll go for the next basic symbol, that is M. Stands for 1000. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. So the symbol for 900 is CM, and For 1000, it is the basic symbol M.